I don't want to see CSK win another IPL trophy.
No?
No.
Which is that one player you're looking forward to the most?
Kareem Channa. Hope is hoping. Hope is hoping.
I don't think so. They're getting shit by the day. I don't think so.
Oh.
18 for the reason.
Yeah. 18 for the reason. GT, I do think about Rashid Khan.
Who?
Rashid Khan. Yup. It's that time of the year. जब दोस्त ना रहा, भाई ना रहा. I mean, look at the CDC team. Only a few days back, we saw these people celebrating together the Champions Trophy win. And right now, I don't know in this IPL 2025, what's the scene going to be like? Would you rather see CSK win an IPL trophy and
No.
Oh,
I don't want to see CSK win another IPL trophy.
no?
No.
Okay, like, that allows Thala Dhoni to finally retire. Even then also?
He had his chance in 2023. He should have done it then. Now there's no sympathy for him. Sorry, man. I'm an RCB fan.
Oh, so Isala not going to complete the sentence.
Isala, CSK, go out to us again.
Okay, so clearly an RCB fan and yet again an RCB fan over here. Vikas, मैंने बोला था कि we'll get to see a lot of fights, but honestly I see a lot of RCB fans here. Isala.
कप नाम दे.
For sure? Are you sure with the kind of squad that we have?
Yes. उतना ही श्योर हूँ जितना पिछले में 18 साल तक था.
Oh, but 18 time could be the charm, no?
Yes. 18 for the reason.
Yeah, 18 for the reason. Bowling पे confidence है इस बार? Are you confident?
एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग है इस बार कंपैरेटिवली. और पहली बार चिन्ना स्वामी के लिए बॉलिंग शायद इन्होंने प्रिपेयर किया. भुवी है, हेजलवुड है, रसिकदार है, फिर कृणाल पांड्या है. अच्छा बोलते बोलते मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस डाउन हो रहा है.
Yeah, honestly sounds like a decent RCB squad, but enough of RCB I feel. Hardik, why don't you tell us which team are you supporting?
Gujarat Titans.
Gujarat Titans. Which is that one player you're looking forward to the most?
Kareem Channa.
Interesting pick. I mean, Afghanistan.
And Kumar Pushadra.
Oh, when I think about GT, I do think about Rashid Khan.
Who?
Rashid Khan. Do you think they have it in them? Shubman Gill has it in him to take the team to the playoffs this season?
I think they'll win the IPL 2025 and Siraj will take the purple cap.
Oh, interesting picks. I really want to see how the RCB fans are looking right now. Are you guys going to miss Siraj or are you going to celebrate when he potentially could do well against RCB?
I think if you look at how it's all panned out, Siraj going to GT,
Yeah.
GT Shami going to Hyderabad,
Yeah.
and Bhuvi's coming to RCB, so that whole thing, I think we've got the best guy.
Oh, okay. So math is mathing, I think.
Hope. Hope is hoping. Hope is hoping.
What about PBKS, man? There is hope never hopes there. Like it doesn't. But now I think all at least three or four foreign players are going to be Australians only. What do you have to say?
More than that, I think Shreyas Iyer being the captain is the one thing that gives hope because
You are excited for an Indian captain to do
yeah,
well.
obviously, yeah, because I'm happy that Punjab have done away with Shikhar Dhawan. first
Yeah.
of all. I thought he shouldn't have been a playing 11 only. Maybe Punjab will win a IPL before RCB,
And Pramod, aren't you offended?
Not all offended. I think that's quite a possibility, actually.
Oh, guys,
So,
आप
yeah.
सुन रहे हो?
I will still support RCB, but I'm being a little realistic. That's about it.
But like your fellow RCB fans said the squad is good and everything. What makes you say that?
Yeah, they're blind, so they'll say that. So that's okay.
Within RCB fans only, there is no unity. What is this?
No, there is unity. It's just that we're all demented in our own fashion.
Talking about himself.
I'm talking about myself.
Okay. Interesting.
Who are you backing?
RCB.
Not India.
India?
That's in like normally you're like India fan who Pele.
I mean, like RCB has a great chance this season.
Okay, so RCB 1, RCB 2, how many more RCB? Shorak, RCB to win the IPL?
Yeah, sure.
But aren't you an SRH supporter?
No, not at all.
Oh, you are an RCB.
He's a KKR man.
I'm not actually.
But what do you have to say about KKR? We have this, blockbuster opening clash between RCB and KKR.
I don't think so. They're getting shit by the day. I don't think so.
Oh. RCB.
No, not RCB.
Yeah, but like which team then?
Probably SRH or RR.
Okay. PBKS?
and SRH.
Is it because of Pat Cummins, guys?
No, I think this is exciting to watch and it's just the brand of cricket they play wants me to see them win the title.
Okay, then who is your winner this season?
GT.
GT is winning it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's take the orange cap and purple cap predictions. Avnish, let me come to you.
Orange cap, Kohli to do it again. Purple cap, I'm going to go for cheeky little Raseek Dar.
Your predictions.
I said Kohli before, but I think Yashasvi Jaiswal and Arshdeep Singh.
Okay.
Orange cap, I'll go with Kohli. But purple cap, I think might go to UZ Daddy Chahal.
Yuzi Daddy Chahal.
Okay, orange cap, I'll go for Abhishek Sharma. Purple, I think I'll also go with Yuzvendra Chahal.
Orange cap, I'm gonna go Rachin Ravindra. And purple cap, I am gonna go T Natarajan.
Orange cap, I want someone from the outside top 3, so Shivam Dube. And
Very cheeky picks.
and purple cap, Mohammad Siraj.
Mohammad Siraj. Okay. If I have to pick, I think orange cap has to be Virat Kohli for me as well. And purple cap, I'll go with Bhuvneshwar Kumar. But here we have it. The banters have already begun. Let's see how much the drama is going to peak both off the field and at the CDC office. This is Dia Kakkar for Cricket.com.